In step 4, we will do the employee shift schedule. To review the assigned shift schedules for each employee, go to Shift module and click on Employee Schedule. Go to Employee Schedule Report under the Shift Configuration menu. Use filters such as Employee Name, Department, or Date Range and click on Search button to view the schedule. The report will display each employee's assigned shift and timings. The report will display each employee's assigned shift and timings. For other user manual video, visit our YouTube channel.